Alright, what's new everyone? So I want to show you guys how to replace the blank Sync Module 2 with the newer Sync Module XR if you want to keep it on your same system that you already have. So you're going to start by adding a new device like you normally would here. You're going to Sync Module, you're going to scan the QR code on our new device here. And like I showed you earlier, you could create a new system. And that's why we see new home here. It's the system we created. But we want to replace our home. And there's a limit of one sync module per system. So we're going to go ahead and select home, which has this sync module 2. And click continue. Would you like to replace this sync module? All cameras in this system will be moved to the sync module. Yes. Alright, so this one's removed, you saw it flash red. This one's blinking blue, steady green. This guy now rebooted. Let's go discover device. And it's going to discover the one we already scanned. Continue. So since we scanned that QR code, that's why it's the only one it detected. It's going to ignore that this one's also in setup mode. So just like we did before, we're going to finish setup, enter your Wi-Fi password. When you're done entering the password, click join. It's going to connect to it and then check for updates. There shouldn't be any updates since we just did that. See how long this takes. Not too long. And it's done. So we now have our sync module online, and it's got our old cameras. Now, let's say I wanted to go back to this. Like, no, I liked my old system. We'll select our system that we added the XR to. See, Sync Module XR, so it's got that one now. Click Continue. So it's going to replace the Sync Module. All the cameras will be now back to that guy. Discover device. And notice that the number is different. Since we scanned the QR code, it's going to detect that one and not this one. Connect. I haven't batted on this guy in a long time, so there might be some updates that it wants to do. This guy is broadcasting its own Wi-Fi network, so we got its own ID up there, but I'm going to select my Wi-Fi. Put in our password like we've been doing. Join. Sync Module 2 has been linked to the system, but now there's an update because I haven't done it in a long time. It's rebooting, should be booted up soon. And now our sync module's online. There's nothing in our new home because I was disconnected. Now this is linked back up to our Sync Module 2. Stay tuned for some more videos. I'm going to compare the Sync Module 2 with the Sync Module XR also with the Sync Module Core, and help you decide which one's best for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.